All right, welcome back to the shop. So my last video, it was a real quick one just about my new project. Is 1961 M422A1 Mighty Mite. Made for the Marine Corps, used by the Marine Corps. And I told you guys I would bring in this M1163 and compare it to the M422. This is also made for the Marine Corps and used only by the Marine Corps. And this is the shorter version of the ITV. Was created or made to put inside of a V-22 Osprey or to go in a CH-53 or a CH-47 helicopter or under the helicopters. So anyways, this was made in 1961. This was made in, this one's probably a 2009, 2010. If I could read, 2011. So these were made between 2009 and 2012 is when they made them. So I just want to show you guys, kind of compare the size. Okay, so I've got these lined up pretty much bumper to bumper. The front of the 63 has the winch on there. That's removable, so let's pretend that's not on there. And then we walk around, and then we are lined up bumper to bumper. These things are the exact same dimension. This is all optional stuff. This roll bar here for the rear passenger was only on the ones that towed the ammo trailer, and then that's removable. And then so is this pintle is removable as well. So if we take those off, these things are pretty much the same dimension. They're the same length, they're the same width. They're both 5 feet wide. So this is kind of like the old style Mighty Mite and the new style Mighty Mite. So just for a little comparison, they both have a 59-inch wide wheelbase. They're both 5 feet wide. They're both the same length. They both have a 4-cylinder engine. Of course, that's a turbo 4-cylinder straight inline diesel. This is a V4 air-cooled gas engine. This one here, the 63, is a 2-passenger in some of the variants, and then it's a 3-passenger in others. This is a 2-passenger, kind of a 4-passenger. It's got these seat backs that flip up so it can hold 4 people. So here in this shot, I lowered the air suspension all the way down on the M1163. If we come across here at the camera, you can look and see the hoods are almost exactly the same height. Steering wheel's about the same height. Seats are a little lower on the 422. The back end's about the same height. And then here's that same shot from the other side. So anyways, that's it. That's my video comparing the M422A1 to the M1163. 50 years difference in these vehicles, and they go back to something that's small again, and both for a reason. This was made small so that it would be able to be held or lifted by helicopters and set into tight areas like jungles and whatever. This was made small to fit into helicopters well, not weight-wise, but size-wise, so it fit in the V-22 Osprey. So anyways, that's kind of cool. Just thought it'd be a neat comparison to do, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the like button, and have a good day. Thank you.